She must have been like like a little miserable. No, listen. This is how it went down. This is how it all went down.
See what happened, boys and girls.
It was 2 hours ago on January 19th.
Janelle was walking.
Inauguration Eve. I was walking to the bathroom when I noticed, I'm a little high. I might lose my balance. As I'm coming here, what happened was I lost my balance. I bumped into it. Ricocheted off the wall. I didn't think that I was going to be able to save it. So I stopped.
This is where the picture originally was.
So what happened was. So what happened was I stopped. I tried to save the frame and said, no. I proceeded to the bathroom, and when I came out, I forgot it had ever happened. When my sister came over here and said, what the fuck? I said, yeah, what happened? Then when Heather picked up the frame and said, yeah, what did happen? I all of a sudden remembered that it was me. It was me who knocked over the frame. So I tried to kind of admit to it by not.
By denying it. All right, come on.
All of a sudden I remembered and admitted.
All right. This is the broken frame.
I need to see myself dancing because Heather was filming. I thought she was just taking pictures.
You were dancing?
Acted out.
And now this is the broken frame. That's all.